Hello students, I am Jayashree Miss. Now today I am going to teach you the second 2B exercise. First 2B. First sum, compute. Before starting this exercise, let us know some rules about this exercise. First rule, A multiplied by B raised to n is equal to, whenever there is a multiplication here and outside there is one power, so power will go to each and every number, that A raised to n into B raised to n, right? Second, A upon B raised to n, so it will become A raised to n upon B raised to n. Next, A raised to 0 is equal to always 1, and as you know, this A raised to a power is the n, so it will become A raised to 1 upon n. It will become A raised to, and A raised to n is the m, so it will become A raised to m upon n. These are the rules to be followed in this 2B exercise. First, now first question, compute 1 raised to 8 multiplied by 3 raised to 0 multiplication 5 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 2. Now 1 raised to 8 is always 1. Anything raised to 0 is always 1. Right? 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 2 2s are 4. Then the answer is 500. Second sum, 4 raised to 7 raised to 2 multiplication 4 raised to minus 3 raised to 4. Now 7 2s are 14 and 3 4s are minus 12, right? Now whenever there is a multiplication, there is addition of this power, so 4 raised to 14 plus minus 12, so 4 raised to 14 minus 12 is always 2. 4 raised to 2, the answer is 16 is the answer. Two sums are done. Next, third sum, 2 raised to minus 9 divided by 2 raised to minus 11 raised to 3. Now 2 raised to this division sign, so there is a subtraction of this power, right? So 2 raised to minus 9 subtraction sign minus 11 raised to 3 raised to 3, right? So 2 raised to minus 9 minus minus plus raised to 3. So 11 minus 9 is 2. 2 raised to 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 2 3s are 6. And the answer is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are this. So 64 is the answer. This is the third sum. Now fourth. Fourth sum, 2 upon 3 raised to minus 4 multiplication 27 upon 8 raised to minus 2. Next. Now this is minus 4, so it is a negative power, so convert into positive, do the reciprocal. 2 upon 3 raised to 4 multiplication 8 upon 27 raised to 2. So minus 2 will become plus 2. After that, do this 3 raised to 4. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 81. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 8, 8 are 64. And it is a 27 into 27. After that, cutting 16 1s are 16 4s are 27 1s are 27 3s are 3 1s are 3 9s are. So 4 upon 9 is the answer. 4/9. Fourth sum. Now fifth sum. 56/28 raised to 0. Division 2/5 raised to 3. Multiplication 16/25. As you know, anything raised to 0 is always 1. So here the answer is 1. Division sign. Now 2 raised to 3. The 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. And 5 raised to 3, 125. Multiply by 16/25. And according to BODMAS, first you need the division first, not multiply. So divide first. So one division side multiplication, the reciprocal of this number 125/8. Multiply by 16/25. After cutting 8 1s are 8 2s are 25 1s are 25 5s are. The answer is 5 2s are 10 is the answer. Fifth. Next. Answer is 10. Next. Sixth sum. Sixth sum. First. 12 raised to -2. Multiplication 3 raised to 3. Now 12 raised to -2. So it is a 4 into it is a 1/12 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 3. My negative, if it is reciprocal, then my negative will become positive. Now 1/12 into 12 into 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Now after cutting, 4 3s are 9 3s are, again 4 3s are 3 3s are. So is the answer 3/16 is the answer. Next, sixth sum. Now seventh sum. Seventh sum is there. -5 raised to 4. Multiplication -5 raised to 6. Division -5 raised to 0. Now here the power is same. Power is the same. 5 raised to 9. -5 -5 -5. So power is -5 raised to. Now it is multiplication. The addition of this power 4 plus 6 and division is -9. Understood? First it is a multiply 4 plus 6 power addition. Then division this is -9. 4 plus 6 10. 10 minus 9 1. -5 raised to 1. Answer is -5. Is the seventh sum. Now eighth. Eighth sum. Eighth is the -1/3 raised to 4. -1/3 raised to 4. Then division -1/3 raised to 8. Multiplication -1/3 raised to 5. Now here what will happen? Base equal -1/3 -1/3 this. So again same as the previous sum. 4 division the power का क्या होगा? माइनस 4 minus 8. Multiplication power का प्लस. Right? 4 plus 5 9. 9 minus 8 1. -1/3 raised to 1. The answer is -1/3. Eighth sum. Done. Then 9. 9 sum. Now 9 raised to 0, multiplication 4 raised to minus 1, division 2 raised to minus 4. So 9 raised to 0 is always 1. Now it is a negative power, convert into positive 1 upon 4 reciprocal. Again same, my negative power 1 upon 2 raised to 4. Right? 1 multiplied by 1 upon 4 divided by 1, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So according to Bodmer's, first solve this division. 1 multiplied by 1 upon 4 multiplied by 16 upon 1, reciprocal of this number. 4 ones are 4 fours are, the answer is 4. 9 sum, answer is 4. Now 10 sum. 10 sum. 625 raised to minus 3 upon 4. Whenever this type of sum comes, you first of all find out the power, in which power it is come, and there should be power should be 4 first. Now it will come in the 5 raised to 4. So 5 into 5, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, 4 times it will come 625. Then 5 raised to 4 minus 3 upon 4. So 4 will be cut. 5 raised to minus 3, right? Now it is a negative, so 1 upon 5 raised to 3 reciprocal, then it will become positive. Then it is 1 upon 125 is the answer. Next, 10 sum done. Now 11. 11 sum. 27 upon 64 raised to minus 2 upon 3. Again, there will be some power as 3. There should be. So 27 means 3 into 3 into 3, and 64 means 4 into 4 into 4. Right? So it's 3 raised to 3 and 4 raised to 3. Minus 2 upon 3. So it will become 3 upon 4 raised to 3 minus 2 upon 3. 3 cut. Right? Now 3 upon 4 raised to minus 2. अब इसका minus 2 को पॉजिटिव करने के लिए you should do the reciprocal of this 4 upon 3 raised to 2. So 4 4s are 16 upon 9. And it is improper fraction. Convert fraction 1 7 upon 9. 11th sum done. Next. Twelfth sum. 1 upon 32 raised to minus 2 upon 5. Right? First of all, it is negative, so convert into positive. The 32 raised to 2 upon 5. Right? Now 32 is का power 5 आना चाहिए, तो 2 raised to 5. 2 into 2 into 2 5 times, it will become 2 raised to 5 raised to 2 upon 5. 5 cut, 2 raised to 2, it is equal to 4. 4 is the answer. 12 sum. Now 2b. 13 sum. 13 sum is 125 raised to minus 2 upon 3 division 8 raised to 2 upon 3. Right? So this is, it will come in 5 raised to 3, 5 into 5 into 5, and it is 2 into 2 into 2. So it is 5 raised to 3 raised to minus 2 upon 3 division 2 raised to 3 2 upon 3. 3 cut, 3 cut. 5 raised to minus 2 divided by 2 raised to 2. So 1 upon 5 raised to 2 is reciprocal. So negative will become positive. Division 2 raised to 2 4. Now 1 upon 25 or is a multiplication. So division multiply 1 upon 4. This 1 upon 100 is the answer. 1 upon 100. So 13 sum. Now 14. Hmm. 14 sum 243 raised to 2 upon 5 divided by 32 raised to minus 2 upon 5. Now 243. It will come in the table of 3, 3, 3, 3, 5 times. So 3 raised to 5 raised to 2 upon 5 division 2 raised to 5 division. Question number 7. First sum. A raised to minus 2 b raised to minus 2 dot ab raised to minus 3. If there is no sign, it is multiplication. Now, first of all, a raised to 2 2s are 4 and minus minus plus 4 and b raised to minus 2. Then a raised to minus 3 and b raised to minus 3. Minus 3 is given to both of them, a and b. Here also minus 2. In the bracket there is a multiplication. Now, a raised to 4 minus 3 and b raised to minus 2 minus 3. So, a raised to 1 and b raised to minus 5 then is equal to a upon b raised to 5. Minus 5, it is going to this denominator, then it will become the positive. Next. Second. To be 7, second sum. Now, second sum question. X raised to n, y raised to minus m raised to 4, multiplication sign, x raised to 3, y raised to minus 2 raised to minus n. Now this 4 power that is given to both this and this, multiplied with this also and this also. These are also minus n is multiplication with 3 and multiplied with 2. So first of all, x raised to 4 into n, 4n, y raised to 4 into n, minus 4n, x 3 into n, x raised to minus 3n, and y is 2 into 2, 2n, and minus minus become plus. Now this x and x both power, so x raised to 4n and x raised to minus 3n, y raised to minus 4n, y raised to 2n. Now this x power, so 4n minus 3n, y power 2n minus 4n. So 4n minus 3n is 1, so x raised to n. Yes, and y raised to and y is y raised to 2n minus 4n is the answer. Understood? This is multiply sign. Then 4 is given to 4 into n 4n minus 4n, 3 into n minus 3n, 2 to the 2 into n minus minus plus 2n. Now this x both together, 4n and minus 3n both together, then y together, minus 4n and 2n, 2n minus 4n. Now 4n minus 3n is n, then there is no any common factor, 2n minus 4n, this is the answer. Next, seventh sum. Now third sum. 125 a raised to minus 3 upon y raised to 6 raised to minus 1 upon 3. Now, first of all, this is the 1 upon 3. So, there should be a power 3. So, 125 to 5 raised to 3, right? So, 5 raised to 3 and minus 3 and y raised to 6. Now, this 1 upon 3 is given to each and every number. Now 5 into 3 multiply by 1 upon 3. A raised to minus 3 into 1 upon 3. Y raised to 6 multiply by 1 upon 3. 3 3 cut, 3 3 cut, 3 1s are, 3 2s are. So the answer is 5 a raised to minus 1 upon y raised to 2. Now this minus 1 it go down. So it will go down a raised to yes, it is a minus, sorry, minus, हाँ minus 1/3, तो is 1 upon minus and minus plus, right, and is -2, right. So a raised to -2 it will go up and 1 it is -1 it is go down. The answer is a y square upon 5. It is answer a y square upon 5. Next, third sum done. Fourth sum. Fourth sum is 32 x raised to -5 upon 243 y raised to -5 raised to -1/5. Now this is the 5, so there should be power 2, 5 come, right? So here 32 means 2 raised to 5, 2 into 2 into 5 times, right? Into x raised to -5, and 243 to 3 raised to 5, 3 raised to 5 into y raised to -5 raised to -1/5. So 2 raised to 5, अभी -1/5 is multiplied with each and every number into -1/5, x minus 5 into -1/5, 3 raised to 5 into -1/5, y minus 5 into -1/5. 5 cut, 5 cut, 5 cut, 5 cut. So here 2 raised to -1, x raised to -1 is plus 1, 3 raised to -1, y raised to 1 plus 1. Though now this 2 will go down and 3 will go up, though it will become positive power. So the answer is 3y upon 2x is the answer. 3x, sorry. 3x upon 2y is the answer. This position will not change, only interchange this, so it will become positive. Next, 4th sum done. 7th third. Now 4th sum is done. Now 5th sum. 7th 5th sum. A raised to -2 b 1/2 into ab raised to -3 1/3. Now here a raised to -2 into 1/2 and b raised to 1/2. 1/2 is given to both. Same a raised to 1/3 and b raised to -3 into 1/3. 2 cut, 3 cut. So a raised to -1, b raised to 1/2, a raised to 1/3, b raised to -1. Now this, take this a together, so it will become a raised to 1/3 -1, b raised to 1/2 -1. Now here a raised to 1 minus 3/3, b is equal to 1 minus 2/2, LCM. So a raised to -2/3, b raised to -1/2. Now this is negative power, both are negative. So reciprocal of this is 1 upon a raised to 2/3, b raised to 1/2. It is the answer. Next, 7th 6th sum. Seventh 6th sum. 6th sum xy raised to m minus n, yz raised to n minus l, zx raised to l minus n. Now what will happen? First of all, it will become, now it is minus n minus n. So when subtraction takes place, there should be division. right? So you can do like this: x raised to m minus n, y raised to m minus n. M minus n given to both of them. Y raised to n minus l, z raised to n minus l. Same thing. Z raised to l minus m, x raised to l minus m. Now take this x together, y together, and z together. Now x. So m minus n, and this power is plus l minus m. Right? Next y, m minus n and plus n minus l. Then z together, n minus l plus l minus m. So this m cut, so x raised to l minus n. N cut, m minus l. And z cut, this is l minus l cut, so it will become n minus m. Then it is the answer. Right? It's very easy. First of m minus n is given to this and this. Y, n minus n is y and z, and zx, so l minus m is given to z and also x. Then this same base x, so m minus n plus l minus n. This, then y take y and y, m minus n plus n minus l, and then take z, n minus l and l minus n. Then n cut m minus n, so l minus n, first n cut m minus l, and z ln cut, then n minus n. 6 answer. Next. Now 6 of them done. Now 8th question. Question number 8. Now show that x raised to a upon x raised to minus b raised to a minus b dot x raised to b upon x raised to minus c is equal to b minus c dot x raised to c x raised to minus a to c minus a. Now you have to prove that it is equal to 1, right? So first is left hand side. First of all, this is division. In division, division also, and this is power minus. This is also minus. This is also minus. So negative power, it will go up and it will become the positive. So x raised to a, x raised to b, right? Raised to a minus b. Same thing, x raised to b and x raised to c, b minus c. X raised to c, x raised to a, c minus a. Now this is there is no sign in this multiply. In multiplication there is a addition of the power. The x raised to a plus b, a minus b. X raised to b plus c, b minus c. X raised to c plus a, c minus a. Now as you know, a plus b and a minus b is equal to, what is the formula? A square minus b square. The x raised to a square minus b square. Whenever there is a bracket, there is a multiply. X raised to b square minus c square, and x is equal to c square minus a square. तो x अभी सबका पावर का प्लस, right? तो x is equal to a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. Then a square cut, c cut, this is cut. Then x raised to 0, it is equal to 1. Hence proved. Then this is the, first do this minus b, go up. This is also minus c, go up. Minus 1, a, go up. Then same base, so there is addition of the power. A plus b, here b plus c, here c plus a. Then there is a bracket, there is multiply. So a plus b, a minus b multiplication, a square minus b square. B plus c, b minus c, b square minus c square. C plus c, this c square minus c square. When there is multiply, again there is power, addition of the power. Addition, this cut all, the x raised to 0. And anything raised to 0 is always 1. Next, ninth question. Ninth question. X raised to 5 plus n. Multiplication x raised to 2 3n plus 1 upon x raised to 7n minus 2. Now these multiply, there is the addition of the power. X raised to 5 plus n plus 2 3n minus plus 1 upon x raised to 7n minus 2. Done. Now x raised to 5 plus n plus 3 to the 6n plus 2 ones are 2 upon x raised to 7n minus 2. Now 6 plus n 6 7n. The x raised to 7n, 5 plus 2 7. 3 plus 2, yes, 3 to the 6, 6 plus 1 this, and then x raised to 7n minus 2. Then there is a division, so there is a division of this, there is subtraction of the power. Then x raised to 7n plus 7 minus 7n plus 2. So it is equal to x raised to 9. It is the answer. 7 plus 2, 7, 7 cut, 7 plus 2, 9. That's next. 9th question done. Now 10th. A raised to 2n plus 1 dot a raised to multiply 2n plus 1 2n minus 1 upon a raised to n 4n minus 1 a raised to 2 2n plus 3. So a raised to 2n plus 1 into a raised to, now this is 2n plus 1 and 2n minus 1. So same method, a square minus b square method. So 2n का square what is 2n का square 4n square and 1 का square minus 1 upon a raised to 4 into n 4n square and n into 1 minus n into 2 to the 4n 2 3 the 6. Now there is a addition of this power. 2n plus 1 plus 4n square minus 1. Then is 1 minus 1 0 upon a raised to 4n square minus n plus 4n plus 6. Right? So here it will a raised to 2n plus 4n square upon a raised to 4n square plus 3n plus 6. Now again there is a division. Division means there is a subtraction of the power. So a raised to 2n plus 4n square minus bracket में this 4n square plus 3n plus 6. So a raised to 2n plus 4n square minus 4n square plus minus minus 3n minus 6. This will cut and this will here a raised to 2n minus 3n is minus n minus 6, right? So now minus it will taken outside, then in bracket minus n plus 6. Now this is the negative power. The answer is 1 upon n plus 6. 1 upon n raised to n plus 6 is the answer. 10 sum done. Eleventh sum. Prove that. Prove करने है Next, m plus n raised to minus 1, m raised to minus 1 plus n raised to minus 1 equal to mn raised to minus 1. Now we have to prove like this. So first left LHS. M plus n raised to minus. This is a minus power, right? So it will be a reciprocal m plus n. Now this is also 1 upon n plus 1 upon n, right? Now 1 upon m plus n. Now here cross multiplication, so n plus m upon mn, right? After the n into 1 n, m into 1 m, and this is mn, right? So these both will cut, right? So 1 upon mn, and 1 upon mn, then it is reciprocal, so it will written as 1 mn raised to minus 1. It is the answer. Next 11, 12 sum. X raised to a upon x raised to b raised to 1 upon ab. Then x raised to b upon x raised to c raised to 1 upon bc. Now x raised to c upon x raised to a raised to 1 upon ca equal to 1. Now we have to prove that they are equal to 1. Now this 1 upon AB, it is multiplied with here this, then 1 upon BC is multiplied with B and C, and this is also 1 upon CA multiplied with C and A, right? Now here x raised to A multiplied by 1 upon AB, x raised to B also multiplied by 1 upon AB, x raised to B multiplied by 1 upon BC, x raised to C multiplied by 1 upon BC, x raised to C multiplied by 1 upon CA, x raised to A multiplied by 1 upon CA. So A cut, B cut, B cut, C cut, C cut, A cut. Then it is here x raised to 1 upon B, x raised to 1 upon A. Then x raised to 1 upon C, x raised to 1 upon B, x raised to 1 upon A, x raised to 1 upon C. Then this will cut, this will cut, and this will cut. The answer is 1. Understood everyone? Next. 12 sum done. Now 13th sum. 12th second sum. 12th second sum. 1 upon 1 plus x raised to a minus b plus 1 upon 1 plus x raised to b minus a. You have to prove it is equal to 1. Now, here you have to look at first this minus subtraction. Whenever there is a subtraction, there should be division. Subtraction of power means division, right? So 1 upon 1 plus x raised to a upon x raised to b plus here 1 upon 1 plus x raised to b upon x raised to a, right? This is division, that's why it is subtraction is division. Now 1 upon this cross multiply, so x raised to b plus x raised to a upon x raised to b. 1 upon is x raised to a plus x raised to b upon x raised to a. Now after reciprocal x raised to b will go up. So x raised to b upon x raised to b plus x raised to a, x raised to a to x raised to a plus x raised to b. Now both denominator are equal, there is addition of this number. So x raised to a plus x raised to b, and is also x raised to a plus x raised to b. Both will cut, answer is 1. Next. Now 13th sum. 13th, first one, find the value of n, right? First 12 minus raised to minus 5 multiply by 12 raised to 2n minus plus 1 equal to 12 raised to 13 divided by 12 raised to 7. Now here there is multiply, then there is addition of the power. Here division, there is a subtraction of the power. The 12 raised to minus 5 plus 2n plus 1. Here 12 raised to 13 minus 7. Right? Then 12 raised to minus 5 plus 1 is 2n minus 4 is equal to 12 raised to 6. Now both this power is equal, so it will go down, then it will remain cut down, and it is the 2n is go equalize this is equal to 4 plus 6, 2n is equal to 10, n is equal to 10 upon 2 is equal to 5. Cutting down is 5. Next, 13th first term sum. Now second sum, 13th. Second sum. 2 raised to a raised to 2n minus 3 multiplication a raised to 2 n plus 1 upon a raised to 4 raised to minus 3 is equal to a raised to 3 bracket में 3 डिवीजन a raised to 6 ब्रैकेट में minus 3. First of all, you multiply this, right? So a raised to 2n minus 3 multiply by a raised to 2n plus 2, a raised to 4 3s are 12 minus 12, 3 3s are 9, a raised to 6 3s are 18 minus 8. Now addition of this power, a raised to 2n minus 3 plus 2n plus 2 upon a raised to minus 12. Here subtraction, division, then there is a subtraction. So 9 minus 18. Now here a raised to 2n plus 2n 4n minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. Now here this is division, then it will go the minus subtraction of this minus 12. Then here a raised to 9 plus 18. So a raised to 4n minus 1 plus 12 and plus 11 is equal to a raised to 27. Now this a equal power base is equal, so equalizing 4n plus 11 is equal to 27. So 4n is equal to 27 minus 11. So 4n is equal to 16. The n is equal to 4. 4 is the answer. It's quite big sum. First of all, multiply this power. Then there is a multiplication sign, so there is addition of the power. Right? Here division sign, there is a subtraction 9 minus 18. Nice? Minus plus, so 9 plus 18 is 27. Here 2n plus 2n 4n and minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. Now this is division to minus 12 division. There is again this subtraction minus 12 plus 1 minus 1 plus 12 and plus 11. Now 13 done. Now 14 sum. 14th first sum. A raised to 2n plus 3 dot a raised to 2n plus 1 and n plus 2 upon a raised to 3 2n plus 1 a raised to n 2n plus 1. Now this is the multiplication. This you have to use the split method as you learned in the previous classes in previous standard. So you have to do like this, 2n plus 1 and n plus 2. So you know the split method, 2n, n plus 2 plus 1, n plus 2. So 2n into 2n square plus 4n plus n plus 2. So 2n square plus 5n plus 2. Now you have to use this in this n. So first solve. A raised to 2n plus 3, a raised to 2n square plus 5n plus 2. But in the exam you have to show this, how this answer come. Now a raised to 3 to the 6n plus 3 and a raised to 2 into n 2n square plus n. Now there is a multiplication, so there is addition of this power. So a raised to 2n plus 3 plus 2n square plus 5n plus 2. Then a raised to 6n plus 3 plus 2n square plus n. Now a raised to 2n square, 2n plus 5n 7n, 2 plus 3 plus 2 5. Then here a raised to 2n square and 6 plus 1 7n and plus 3. Now this is done. Now this is, there is a division, so there is a subtraction of the power. A raised to 2n square plus 7n plus 5 minus bracket में 2n square plus 7n plus 3. Then a raised to 2n square plus 7n plus 5 minus 2n square, sign change, minus 3. This cut, 7 minus 5 minus 3 2. The answer is a raised to 2. And this is the and first of all you have to do this, solve this separately. 2n split method, by split method 2n square. Now use this answer in this manner. So 2n to a raised to 2n plus 3, 2n square plus 5n. Now there is a multiplication, so there is addition of the power. Here also addition. After addition, 2n plus 5n 7n and 3 plus 2 5. Here 2n square and 6n plus n 7n and this is 3. Now this is division. There is subtraction of the power. Answer is 2a raised to 2. Now last one. Second sum. X raised to 2n plus 7 dot x raised to 2 3n plus 2 upon x raised to 4 2n plus 3. Then first of all you have to do multiply 2n plus 7, x raised to 2 3 is 6n and 2 2 is 4, x raised to 4 2 is 8n plus 4 3 is 12. This minus 6n minus 4. There is plus. There is addition of this power, right? And 8 raised to x raised to 8n plus 12. Now 2n plus 6n is equal to 8n. And 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. X raised to 8n plus 12. Now there is a subtraction of the power, right? Then x raised to 8n plus 11 minus 8n plus 12. Subtraction हो गया power का. तो x raised to 8n plus 11 minus 8n minus 12. Then 8n cut. So it will x raised to minus 1 is equal to 1 upon x is the answer. Understood everyone? This is the last sum of 2b exercise. First of all you have to multiply 2 3 is 6n plus 2 2 is 4, right? Then 4 2 is 8n and 4 3 is 12. Now this is multiply the addition of this power. The 2n plus 7 plus 6n plus 4 and this is now after addition 6 plus 2n 8n, 7 plus 4 11. 7 plus 4 11. Now there is a division, so there is a subtraction of the power. 8 raised to 8n plus 11 minus this one, right? तो -8 is plus minus minus. तो +11 minus 12 is -1, 1 upon x. And it is reciprocal, there is 1 upon x. Now, let's complete this 2B exercise. So, all of you, stay at home, stay safe. Bye.